All right. She's like hobby to me. My younger brother. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, the beautiful Mansi Joshi. Well, if you remember, her acting is something that we can never forget in so many serials and so many films that we've seen. I really wish that you come back and hit with some more. I'm going to ask you about that maybe a little while later. This is Rohit Roy.
Look, you have to add the one and only.
The one and only Rohit Roy. Come on. अभी ये मतलब लाइट चली गई यार, लाइट एकदम आई हीरो के लिए, हीरो की एंट्री है. And we of course have the very talented and the prime focus. This is Mr. Sunil Gambani. Thank you so much for being our inspiration. Thank you so much for gracing the cover tonight. And may you have the force, may you have the vision to take your dream further and further.
Thank you. Important to us, to all of us, and he's a very dear friend. He's been there whenever the industry people need him. Please put your hands together for the one and only Yogesh Lakhani in the house. Are you
You're doing a very nice job, yaar. I'm very happy. You're doing such a fantastic job. You just added a jewel in my work. Well, आप किसी चीज को जाने ना जाने अगर इंडस्ट्री में है तो आप योगेश लखानी जी को जरूर जानेंगे और ये पिक्चर जरूर आने वाली है. मैं भी आ जाती हूँ पिक्चर में क्योंकि जरूर आएगी. योगेश जी के साथ बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर लेने वाली हूँ.
सर की लाइफ की पहली सीरियल से लेके हर फिल्म का ब्राइट हिस्सा है और स्टारडस्ट के साथ मैं 1983 से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है मेघना पब्लिशिंग के सब इवेंट और 2 लाख मूवी, 1 लाख इवेंट, 1 लाख अवार्ड का ब्राइट हिस्सा है.
सर मैं आपको हर जगह पे थैंक यू. वी हैव आल्सो our support here. Thank you so much. And here we have felicitations. थोड़ा close. हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है.
And I have some.
मैगजीन आना चाहिए.
सर सेंटर में प्लीज.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ऊपर उठाइए. We are not the press, man.
But वो वाले भी बहुत अच्छे हैं जो गुंडागर्दी करते हैं. बहुत मजा आता है. We have the bouquet and a token of appreciation.
Thank you. I'm really sorry we got late, but we've been stuck in traffic for the last 1.5 hours. शाम था जब निकले थे इसलिए चश्मा पहन के आया था. अभी अंधेरा हो गया. लेकिन अशोक भाई साहब जो है इसके लिए करना पड़ता है.
Well, thank you so much. You can now take your seat.
सर फ्रंट में.
There's one last thing I want to ask Sunil. Who do you derive your inspiration from? यार मीडिया कुछ बोल भी नहीं रही है. रुको, स्माइल ऐसा बोलते तो हो ना तुम लोग. अंदर आ जाओ यार.
आप सेंटर में आ गई.
हाँ कुछ तो करो ना. कुछ
इनके पास आ गई.
एकदम ऐसा साइलेंट
हो गया पूरा.
Mr. Sunil Kanikar, the Magnet team. I also request the entire Magnet team also.
Yes, Rupali, thank you. It's a great moment for us to feature the Sunil Gambani's work. He is the most happening architect in our city, not only in city but our country. His journey is something which we are, in fact, you have given us the opportunity to feature your work in this issue, which is a very, very proud moment for us. Thank you, Sunil, and especially Mansi and Rohit. You have really gone out of the way to make this happen today, the unveiling.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much for supporting us. Keep supporting us like this. Okay? Thank you so much.
Oh, this is
I
so
have
sweet.
one question before we go. Sunil, what is your view about this featuring in this issue, especially today's?
So I was supposed to ask you this question. Of course, you've been on, on the cover. Your work is actually speaking loud on the cover. Tell us your views. What makes you, create ideas, come out with some designs? What exactly goes into your mind when you do that?
I'm thankful to the Lord Almighty. Let me begin by saying that. And I always say that because I feel that's exactly how the entire circle is complete. Our own passion gets manifested in the work that we do. These opportunities, the ideas, all of these are gifts that come to us. The team comes as a gift. Like I said before, it's never singularly done by us. The best possible chances that we get is what we try to make the most of, and that kind of gets displayed in the work that we do. With all of you good people, give us an opportunity to be showcased, and then that in turn gets us the next job that comes along. So I'm thankful to each and everyone here. I'm thankful. That's all I'll say.
I can only say that
Okay.
So my point is that now that you're here, and this is about the society, interiors and design. Tell us a little more about your association with this magazine and with the entire team of Magnet.
Well, honestly, I've been associated with the team of Magna since years. I don't even remember my first film, Razbaat. My first article was in Stardust. It was just being launched, and I think that association heads like 32 years. I was very close to Nari sir. I mean, everybody, all of us were very close to him. He was extremely fond of all of us, supported us in many, many ways. Mr. Hira, and every time Ashok would say, unveiling either Pune mein hai, yahan hai, wahan hai, I'd end up there. And my last interaction with Mr. Hira was when Shobha De, who's my mentor of sorts, and then Ashok, me, Mr. Nari Hira, we all went to Pune for the unveiling of the same magazine, if I'm not wrong. And Citadel, yeah, for Citadel, yeah. And I think that's the last interaction. So yeah, the association has been very strong, very, very long, and which is why I can't say no to Ashok whenever he calls us. We're usually here. And I value it a lot.
Ashok, I love you, Ashok. Bye, Well, thank you so much. Is there anything, because since it's about interior and design, what is your motivation? How is that you design your home, and how is that your home has to be?
Well, I think that is a question for Mansi, who's responsible for
the home minister,
the aesthetics of home and all of that. I'll let her talk.
This being very modest, but our home is a reflection of both of us. Our styles are minimal, and that's something which we have kind of maintained over the years in our house. And yeah, a home should be a peaceful, serene place, in my opinion, right? Yes.
Very nice. I mean, you look very peaceful and serene. What is the reason? How is that you're growing so much?
Let me answer that. She only looks serene and peaceful. Come to my house and one day look at my sweat and my hair all over the place. ये तो हम लोग बाहर आए तो फिर serene peaceful लग रही है. गाड़ी में बैठने का मौका दीजिए. आप कैमरा लगाइए पता चल जाएगा.
वो जरूरी भी है. होम मिनिस्टर का strict होना बहुत जरूरी है.
आप लोग भी करें.
I want to know from you, Mansi. You've been working for so many years, and the audience has really loved your work.
Thank you.
When are we going to see you back?
Well, I'm technically back. I just did a television show a year back on ZTV called Kyunki Saas Maa Bahu Beti Hoti Hai, and there's another show on the anvil starting soon again. So I am back. I'm doing television, I'm doing ad films, and
yes, we can see that. But
yes,
that powerhouse where you used to be the, like the what do you call, like the Naika of everything.
Yeah, that's what all my shows have been. That I've started back.
Yes.
I've had a hiatus and I'm back on television. So yes.
But we are really eager to see you. Very much eager to see you. Aren't we actually eager to see her on screen?
Yes.
Say yes. A little. Oh yes, yeah.
Yes.
But very nice, thank you.
Thank you so much.
But what's your inspiration and your association with society, interiors and design?
Well, to me, Stardust, Society, these were like the magazines that kind of shaped my future as a teenager. I remember so well, you know, that this was where we went to for any information about films and movies and interviews, and Society as well. It was a very interesting magazine and I've always read them. So for me, it's lovely, you know, to have this association with them now.
Very nice, so sweet. Ashok, would you want to add a few, few words here? Would be fantastic. There are so many guests. You have been the power, you've been the focus, you've been the reason that you have got us together. I'm here only for you, and of course for my lovely people in Magnet. Yes. Thank you so much for calling me here, and thank you so much for making me a part of this big family. Kudos to you all, a lot of success to you all for your future endeavors. So let's just start for the show right now. Hi. Well, hi, my name is Rupali Suri, and a warm welcome to all you wonderful people present here. Well, this time we are here for a very special reason, and the reason is to actually unveil and to get out our very own magazine, I'm very comfortable here, yaar.
Ma'am, please.
I'm very comfortable here, yaar. Bye. I'm very comfortable there with my team members. But well, this is a very special occasion as we have Society Interiors and Design magazine, which is going to be here at the power to unveil. And yes, it's a very special occasion for the entire team because this is their hard work, the efforts that they have put in. And this magazine is no less magazine because it is actually loved and cherished by realtors, interior designers, the students who are learning interior design, and so much more. If you want to know more about interiors, you want to know more about designs, you know which magazine to actually get onto. Well, let's not take any more time here, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to call upon somebody who actually is the force behind this magazine. He's the one who has the inception, the ideas, and the effort that has been put in. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the founder, the dynamic force behind Magnet Publishing. This is Ashok Dhanmankar. अरे थोड़ा सा लाउड भी हो सकता था यार अशोक जी के लिए ऐसे कैसे यार. Well, I also want to call upon Swati Bali, the consulting editor of Society Interiors and Design. Thank you so much for this lovely magazine. Well, now it's time to call upon the renowned architect Sunil Gambani here. Please join us. Well, he's a principal architect at Drishti Architects, and of course, what more should I'm going to talk to you about your accolades, about your achievements a little later. But right now, I also have some chief guests who are here with us to grace this very special occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the renowned film and TV theatre actor Rohit Roy. ये बोलते ना हीरो की एंट्री अरे ब्राइट दे दो भाई हीरो की एंट्री ऐसे होती है. Well, I also have the powerhouse actress, the beautiful Mansi Joshi Roy. If you can just join us, would be great. Okay, so this is a picture opportunity time, and Ashok, if you can do the honors and ask our guests to actually do the honors of unveiling the cover, would be great, because the entire media, the guests here are very eager to see what's on the cover today.
Zoom out 0.5.
And there you go. Very nice. Beautiful. Mr. Gambani, you are on the cover page. How does it feel? Can I have one more mic, please?
It's an absolutely wonderful feeling. I'm grateful to Society. I'm grateful to the entire team, the entire Society itself that helps us. We are only the No, I'm talking about the entire Society itself, which is responsible for, we become the faces, but there's a large team that works along with us, and I'd like to thank each and every one of them. Mr. Damankar, Swati ji, the entire Society team. Thanks to you all also for being able to make it here. My clients, my colleagues, everyone involved in this.
Very nice.
I take this on their behalf.
Very nice. Thank you so much for gracing the cover. Thank you for being here and inspiring so many people who are going to be reading this magazine and getting to know your views and opinions for that matter. Well, now it's time to...